Hi guys, my name is Jazmine Lambarca and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I do have a couple of items that I've been loving lately that I definitely recommend. Also, I'm going to show you a couple of items that when I bought them I didn't know if I was going to like them or not. And to my surprise, I've been loving some of these products, and makeup is one of my favorite things to talk about. So let's start. But first, follow me on Instagram. And I'm excited because I have a couple of things booked for next weekend to be able to do a couple of pictures and photo shoots, so I am excited. And also I've been getting a lot of new clothes and I love to style different outfits, so I'm excited to start that. So follow me on Instagram. Now let's talk makeup. So first, I'm going to start talking about this palette, which is from BH Cosmetics. I got this at Ulta, and when I saw this I was like, holy crap, I need this palette because it's a perfect summer palette. And I've been using just a bunch of these colors for eyeshadows, for highlighters around my eyes, and even this one that it's like a face highlighter I've been using as an eyeshadow, and it just screams summer to me. Now, I have not been using these two colors over here. They're just too warm, and I just don't think that's the vibe this summer. I just like very like bright, I don't know, bright eyes, like with a lot of shimmer, and I don't know, it's just, I've been scaling down on using makeup that looks a bit too dark. So, you guys, this is just so precious. Even the eyeshadows, I can use them as highlighters. Specifically this one I've been using as a highlighter. And I don't know, I just love this palette a lot. And I don't think that there's a bunch of fallout. If you're worried about fallout, I don't think this will be that huge of an issue. I've had eyeshadows that are a lot worse, so this is just fine. Just make sure you avoid that. So for my brows, I've been using a lot of eyeshadows in this Orgy palette from Jeffree Star. So I like his products, like his lip glosses are amazing. I mean, and so I've been using this Orgy palette every day pretty much because I've been using some of the bottom line eyeshadows to do my brows, and I mean, I can't complain. They last all day. And then I just use this little guy here from Benefit. This is a 3D brow tones little brush, so it's like a mascara for your brows. So it's a very pretty brown color, and it's a little lighter than the eyeshadows that I'm using, but I feel like it doesn't keep my hairs like up, you know, like specifically here, some hairs just tend to go down, and unless I glue them up, they will just go down. So if you guys can recommend anything else that can make my hairs just stay in a certain position, like, I don't know, the only thing I can use here that I have here is like hairspray, and I've done that, but if you guys can recommend anything, let me know in the comments below. But as far as tint goes and making your brows look great, this is pretty good. I mean, I really like this. So next is this other eyeshadow palette. This is from the Momager collection from Kylie Cosmetics. Now, I absolutely loved this collection. Out of all the collections she has launched, the Momager collection has been my favorite. But I would like to see other lip glosses and lip products or lipsticks of other shades other than red. I've watched the Kardashians, like Keeping Up with the Kardashians, since season 1, and she doesn't wear red lipstick all the time, and I would like to see anything else but red lipstick. And also, personally, I never use red lipstick. I do have red lipsticks, it's not my thing. I really like this eyeshadow palette, and I've been using it a lot. Like, as you can see, I use this color the most and this one up here, and I just really like these light shadows, and this color is the perfect color for the crease because it's not like too boom in your face out there, like super terracotta. Like, I just feel like terracotta eyeshadow for the eyes needs to go away at this point because it doesn't look cute anymore, right? I don't know. What are your thoughts? So I had to change the battery and then I forgot to press record. Does that happen to you, some of you? Anyway, I was talking about this palette, and this is a really nice color, and I was saying like Talent, I really like that eyeshadow. And yeah, and I think Gorgeous up here is really nice, but my favorite is Vodka Tonic. I really like that. Highlighters. So I have a lot of highlighters, and I've been collecting makeup for a couple of years now. But my go-to highlighter that I always go back to on a daily basis is this one. Day to day, I like these two up here, specifically this one. So this one on this side is called It's Snowing Pussy Willows, and then the other one is called Money Doesn't Grow on Trees. So I'm liking the Money Doesn't Grow on Trees a lot, like for day to day, like, I don't know, just going anywhere really outside from work. Even a night out, if I feel like not wearing a lot of heavy makeup, I just like to use this one, like just a lot of like really nice highlighter. It just looks really summer, like super summer, like oh my god, you're glowing from within. And then this one, I like to wear it like just slightly just to go to work. Like I definitely wear makeup to go to work. It's just something that I'm really used to doing. There's a lot of women that I've seen that never wear makeup to go to work, and to each their own, but I come from, I don't know. Right now I'm in the engineering side of things, but on my very early stages of life, while I was studying in engineering school, I used to work at a bank, and they had like their code of like dress code, and they talked about nail color, the hair, talked about what to wear, like how to wear, what would be acceptable or not, and they did talk about makeup. So wearing makeup at least a little bit is a professional look as a woman in the professional setting, you know, at any job. I don't know, that's... So anyway, long story short, I definitely wear makeup at least a little bit to go to work. That way I can show like I did shower in the morning and I didn't just roll out of bed and decided to go to work like that. A lot of people live their lives like that. You would be shocked. Oh my god. Anyway, that would be a conversation for a different video. But not even when you ask people to wear makeup for dinner at a nice place, they even listen to you. It's a crazy world, I'm telling you. Anyway, so recently I got a new drugstore eyeliner, one for my waterline and one for the top, like for my eyelid. And I saw like in a little booth that Revlon came out with some eyeliners. So this is called it's a Color Stay 24 hour, and I'm trying it out, and so far so good. That's what I'm wearing today. So the reason why I wanted to transition to these is because before I was using the Wet n Wild, so they have like a breakup proof 24 hour eyeliner for the waterline and also for the lid, and it was good, but they're not as pigmented as I would want them to be. So that's why I transitioned to the Revlon that I've been seeing in Walgreens, and I'm like, you know what, I am going to try it. This is what I have on my top lid, and it's just like super pigmented. Even like the one for the waterline, it's just super pigmented. So I'm really happy that I made the transition. Now what I need to test is the longevity. So I just bought this yesterday. I just went to Walgreens, and so I need to test it at work. So to me, good makeup is if it survives my work day. So I start my day at 6 a.m. and I do wake up a little bit earlier to be able to get ready, shower and all that, put makeup on. I usually work anywhere from like 10 to 12 hours a day, and there's just a lot going on at work. So if this can survive my work day, that would be great. So that's what I'm going to test this week. So I no longer use a makeup brush to apply my foundation. I stopped doing that years ago. So I use a sponge to apply my foundation, and the one that I've been loving consistently, that I've been repurchasing, has been the Sonia Kashuk, because it's just super soft, and it just, when you wet it, because you have to wet this sponge and then dry it a little bit to be able then to start applying your foundation, it really expands really big, and I really like it, and it's super soft, you guys. I like it a lot, so I recommend it. It's only like, I think it's like $8 for 2 sponges at Target, I think. Pretty good. And for bronzer, I think I've mentioned this a couple of times, but this is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess, and this is in the color medium number 2. So I really like this, and this has been my go-to daily because I don't want to use my Tom Ford every day. And the Tom Ford is, it's pretty pricey of a bronzer, and I really love that one, but I just use it for like special occasions when I'm going like out and about, like I don't know, to a nicer place, I guess. This one, it's really nice. It's pretty, like, it's a pretty shade for summer, and I use it on a daily basis. And I actually got this like on a Christmas kit, and it just lasts such a long time. It's pretty good, and I love it. I'm actually wearing this today. Also, my go-to blush has been this Milani one. So this is like a muted rose. It's called Tea Rose. That's the color. And it's just an a good everyday color to wear, even for work. I've been just using just a little bit, just applying just a tiny bit. I don't like to overdo my work makeup, but for the weekends, I definitely apply a little bit more. And I've just been loving this color, and it's just so cute, like just the shape of it. And to your surprise, maybe, look at what I have here. So if you know what this is from the Venomous Villains collection. This is an old collection. This is from MAC. It's called Oh So Fair Beauty Powder. So it is definitely a blush, and it's just so cute, you guys. And I've been using this like sometimes during the weekend, like just to go out after like 6 o'clock. And I just love this. I will never throw this one away. Like, they should redo this collection. I don't know, maybe make some new colors and stuff. Like, they should redo this all over again. I feel like MAC hasn't done a really fun collection in a very long time, and I miss that. I always followed MAC collections, and I also receive their emails still. But yeah, or maybe like a Barbie collection, like an all pink collection, like packaging. Remember the Heatherette collection? That was really pretty. Or maybe they should do like a My Little Pony thing. I don't know. Is that childish? Who cares, right? Life is short. But that would be fun. Should hire me. I have great ideas. Next, let's move to lips. This is from the Doll Face brand. So when I was, I don't know, I was in another state when it was in May, and there's a pharmacy called Rite Aid. So we don't have any Rite Aids here, but I saw this brand and I was like, oh my god, wait, what's that? And then I bought a little highlighter palette, and I bought this lipstick, and I really like it a lot. And this is the color that I'm wearing. I actually have it right on, but I can't see the color. Oh, it's called Hey Doll. It's so tiny, I barely can see it. But it's called Hey Doll, and it's so cute. I mean, I don't like the packaging that much, but the color of this lipstick and the quality, it's really nice, you guys. I mean, it's not gonna be like weird smelling, and the texture is really nice too. I really like it. Now, as far as lip glosses go, I've been loving this Chanel lip gloss so much. Okay, so the color is 804. So this is just the pink gloss. It doesn't have any shimmer to it, but I've been just wearing this almost every day, and I feel like so chic with this, you know, like, I don't know. I've been feeling like just super chic and I like the CC's. I don't know, I'm not a huge Chanel person, and I don't think I will invest in some of the Chanel stuff because a lot of things can look very grandma-ish, but as far as makeup goes, I definitely see myself purchasing more Chanel beauty products like makeup and maybe even skincare. Yeah, I don't know about the perfumes, but the makeup is pretty good. I like it. And it looks really cute in your purse too. Like if you go out and about, you can put this in your clutch and it's just super cute. The other lip gloss I've been liking a lot has been this lip injection by Too Faced, and the packaging is just adorable, isn't it? It's just super adorable, but the only complaint I have is what the hell with the doe foot? It bent, okay? And then I have, even if I try to bend it back, it's just, it won't ever be straight ever again. Don't know what I did to it, but yeah, this one has a little bit of shimmer. This is a very pretty pink gloss. Let me see if I can find the name. It's called Pretty Pony. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm really into pink stuff, like pink lipsticks, pink gloss. That's my vibe. I recommend the shade. You should get this shade, at least one of them. So I went to TJ Maxx the other day. I think it was like 2 weekends ago or 3. And I saw this micellar water, and it's like it is made in France and it doesn't have any alcohol, but it does such a good job removing my makeup because I've tried to use this. So I bought this in Walgreens. It says that it hydrates. So you would think that since it says micellar wipes, it hydrates, it will be soaked in the product, right? But once I got them, they're just as dry as they can be. So they're just gonna pull your eyes and you're not gonna have all your makeup removed because these are just dry. So just so you're aware, don't get these. And I just had to buy something else to remove my makeup, and so far so good. I've been liking this a lot. So this was only $3.99, and what is the other brand, the France brand that everybody just likes, Bioderma? So I have never tried Bioderma. I think that is like $30 for one bottle like this. So I just tried this one. This is pretty good. I mean, it removes my makeup and it leaves my skin hydrated, and I really like how my skin looks after. And sometimes what I do too, whenever I'm done removing all of my makeup and then I wash my face with my cleanser, I always go back to this, like this. I use this as my toner as well, and I just leave it on. Is that kind of weird? I don't know. My skin hasn't broken out of that, but I use this as my toner, and then I put my moisturizers or serums on top, and I like it. My skin likes it, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. All right, guys, so those are my makeup items that I've been liking and that I would definitely recommend you to give them a go. These are my honest opinions, obviously, because I'm literally using these. I'm still like in the beginning stages of starting my channel, so I don't have any links, but you can definitely Google it and buy them, or just run to the pharmacy and try to get some of these things. Now, things like this, you can try it on eBay just to see if you have any luck in finding some of these items of this collection, the Venomous Villains collection, and stuff like this that they only sell it like in a specific drugstore. You can definitely try looking for this on eBay or Amazon, or just Google it. Probably you'll find it. If you have any questions, leave those questions below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly, and I appreciate you watching my channel. And yes, I did change my hair color a little bit. What is your opinion? Do you like it? Do you not? Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.